Hello, I'm Paul from Alphasauna. Many customers ask us how to use the control panel in their indoor infrared sauna. In just 2 minutes, I will teach you how to use the control panel in your infrared saunas. Include temperature, time, lighting, Bluetooth music, and radio. It all works in one place. After the production is assembled, first connect all the connection lights and then turn on the power. This controller comes with a frame. Press the power button briefly to turn the unit on or off. Click on the heating mode to start heating. Temperature setting. Adjustable up to 65 Celsius. Time setting. Heating duration can be set up to 90 minutes. If you prefer Fahrenheit, long press and hold the heating button to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The maximum setting in Fahrenheit is 149 Fahrenheit. Okay, after running the heating operation, does it feel like it is missing a bit of soul and life? Don't worry, here is the happy upgrade package for sauna rooms. Whether you want to play a relaxing song through Bluetooth or listen to high radio, follow the steps and turn your sauna into a 20 private party time in seconds. The lighting is divided into 3 parts: Fahrenheit light buttons, interior light buttons, exterior light button. Fahrenheit light button. Press to cycle through night modes in seconds. White light, red light, green light, blue light, yellow light, purple light, cyan light, auto cycle. Interior light buttons. Press once to turn on the interior light. Press again to turn it off. Exterior light buttons. Press once to turn on the exterior light. Press again to turn it off. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Find the sauna BT and tap connected. The connection is successful. So press the Bluetooth button to enter Bluetooth mode. After 5 seconds, the system automatically switches to Fahrenheit mode. Turn on the music player on your phone. At this time, temperature plus key previous songs, temperature mini key next song, time plus mini keys value adjustment. After turning on the main power, if a USB drive is inserted, the unit will automatically start USB playback. In USB mode, short press the function button, switch to Bluetooth. Long press the function button, switch back to USB playback. Short press FM to enter FM mode. At this time, temperature plus keys search upward. Temperature minus keys search downwards. They will automatically search for channels. Time plus and mini keys adjust value. After 5 seconds, the system automatically returns to Fahrenheit mode. Remember 4 tips: first connect wires, then power on. Set temperatures and time with one touch. Fahrenheit light has 9 modes. Interior and exterior light target is series. Bluetooth, USB and FM. Return to Fahrenheit mode in 5 seconds. Alright, doesn't your sauna instantly feel like a mini theater? With Alphasauna, your sauna is not just for relaxation, but also a stylish stage. Switch and views. Enjoy with ease. Okay, see you, bye bye.